So she's finally back, but we're gonna save that for another video. Today we're gonna take her. The Q50 is back. I'm gonna bring her out and do a whole vlog on what happened, how I got the car back, and things like that. But right now we're gonna head to the gas station, y'all. MCE. What's going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Malik, and I'm back with another video. Good morning. Right now I'm headed to South Orange County. We're gonna go to the Cars and Coffee event that's held over there at the San Clemente outlets. Last weekend they brought a Super Trofeo and a Bugatti Chiron, but I was over at the Formula Drift event in Long Beach. So I'm not too sure what's gonna be in attendance today, but it's a beautiful morning. It's very sunny. It's about to touch 80 degrees and we're not even at 8 a.m. yet. I'm an hour away. I'm coming from North Hills and the event is in San Clemente. So it's gonna take me about an hour to get there. After the vlog today, I might keep it going because I am gonna be going to the lake and get on some jet skis and, you know what I'm saying, hang out with the fam and yeah, enjoy the vibe. So don't leave this video right away. If you want to stick around, please do so. Check out my other content. Thank you for sticking with your boy. So good morning, y'all. I'm up here at South OC Cars and Coffee. Just had to use the bathroom, you know what I'm saying? But we just got up here. I think the event is from 9 to 11, so it's only for like 2 hours. But we about to walk past Ruby's Diner. I'm gonna go over here and do my run through the supercar aisle first, you know what I'm saying? So I don't lose y'all attention, but I'm gonna head over here, get to the supercar aisle. Stay tuned, it's your boy. 720 S's.
I don't look at either, but I mean,
Oh, G Mercy Alago. 600 LT pulling in right here. Look at this shit. Thank you. Those are BBS's, y'all. LT, 2 720 S's. We're in the back of the supercar aisle. The supercar aisle is over there. Oh wow, look at this GTR, man. God damn. Right-hand drive. I've never seen that green. And those wheels is crazy. Let's walk over here to the supercar aisle. Damn. Bro, McLaren has grown on me so much. I want a 765, but yeah. If I could afford it. This is another 720. These wheels is clean. I think it's like a pearl scent blue. Very beautiful car. Aston Martin. We got another Audi rolling in. Hold on. F12 Aston Martin. Look at that. Then this green right here, this looks like Green Goblin. V10 gold rims. That's crazy. The white and black seats definitely throws it kind of off to me, but that's still a beautiful car. AMG GT. This is an F8 Tributo. No, F12. Berlinetta. Okay.
We got 4 private base models starting at 170.
This is the supercar out. We're at South OC Cars and Coffee. Look at this Ferrari right here. A Portofino. Ferrari Portofino. And this McLaren looks like it's a newer model for sure.
New McLarens.
458 Spider. Good God.
Can I use you for my new race commercial?
For your new race commercial?
New race, yeah, you have a good look. Here,
All right,
let's go
no
right
problem.
here.
So I had to look him up. He's actually an orthodontist. He's a dentist. So he walked over to me and he gave me his new brace hat. Shout out to them. It's called New Brace. I'm giving you guys some free advertisement right now. So he's an orthodontist, and I believe he's out here in the OC area. And I just did a short commercial for him in front of a Ferrari. So I'm gonna be looking for that video. You know what I'm saying? And he gave me his card and said that if I come down, he'll give me $1,500 off the bottom row. Because I smiled for him. He said all I need is the bottom row. So we're gonna tap in with him, show him some love. It's a free advertisement in the video. I'm about to walk back over here to the supercar aisle. If you made it this far, like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Malik. Let's see what's going on. It's a forged carbon Lamborghini over here. SVR, not a SVJ, SVR, and this is the forged carbon. I was just gonna say it looks like a Magnuson supercharger. Forged carbon wing, it's a forged carbon roof. Accents inside the car definitely complements it. It's a performante on the seats right there. Forged carbon hood. That's clean as hell. Skittle Squad Exotics. That's the same sticker that's on this forged carbon one. He left his Lamborghini shirt in the passenger seat.
You don't mind sitting back. It's clean.
Oh my God. Another classic Murcielago. This one's in blue. The one over there was in black. Because over there. Ooh, look at that wheel. Oh my god.
I don't remember the air intakes being like that. I think they come up and down.
Beautiful blue. Murcielago. I believe this is a Lamborghini STO with the custom wrap on it. Beautiful blue rims. The best part to me about some of these exotic cars is the steering wheel. The steering wheel has so much detail and like buttons on it. That's what makes like, you feel me? Make you feel like you're in something special. Look at that shit. 600 LT functional hood scoop. That shit is clean, bro. I wouldn't have put that tow hook on the front. That's clean. Got a few new model Vipers, and I think those are Broncos actually. So new model Broncos. Look at this. This right here is for sale. 63 grand. The Ferrari Dino 308 GT4. The rims on this is hard. Oh my god. Should take a minute to appreciate the detail. The Viper, the biker gang in the house. Let's walk back over here. Vanquish, Aston Martin, a couple of Huracans, STOs. The biker gang is in this bitch. I believe this is a GT4. No, GT3. It's a GT3 with a 4.0. That's clean. And then a lot. I want to say, was it the first time? No, the second video I had. I showed this car. This car is crazy. Okay, so I believe this is the MC Super Light that I recorded in. Yeah, it's the Super Light, and it's powered by Ford. I want to say the owner built this himself. It's only like one of one. SLC Super Light, I'm sorry. Let's squeeze through here. Look at that. And his wife drives in the car with him. These right here are the cup holders. I saw it last time. He had his coffee right there. Powered by Ford. Just a SLC Super Light. And I believe it's only one of one. Crazy build. And you got this beautiful Ford GT. Fire extinguisher. I believe that's a Magnuson supercharger. Beautiful suspension. I love how they have the holes in the seats. Look at those knobs in there. Super classy. Ford GT. The motor looks newer than the car, no cap. It's always a great turnout. And yeah, I'm mad I didn't see that Bugatti or that Super Trofeo. Those are two cars I want to see. I want to see that Trofeo. But shout out to them. This event is always nice. Don't leave this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Again, after this, we're going to be going to Puddingstone Reservoir in Pomona. And I'm going to go over here and get on the jet skis with my family. I think I'm saying I could continue to vlog. keep it in this video, make it 2. But I think I'm gonna treat y'all, I'm gonna make it just 1, you know what I'm saying, to keep y'all entertained and whatnot. Yeah, man, so far it's already been a great turnout. And it's not too hot. I don't know if it's because I got closer to the water, but in the valley, closer to where I stay, it was like 80, about to hit 85 degrees before I got on the freeway. So, I think they got an SLR and McLaren. Show do. Right next to this beautiful Bronco. McLaren SLR. I love this car. It's very different and unique, and it's crazy because when this car came out, I was a kid, so I wouldn't have known what it was. But when you pop this hood, I think it slides outwards like that, and then it goes up and does like this weird thing. But not too many of these are made. But yeah, man, shout out to McLaren for making this. ZR1. Definitely a beautiful car. I wouldn't mind having that. Would not mind having that. And we still getting the car. I don't know what car, but we're getting some, man. If you're gonna be coming to the channel, look at the blue on this M3.
You have a great color.
Oh, I like this. I like this a lot.
This right here.
Yeah, I like that a lot. One of the best colors I've seen so far. I've seen the green. I've seen the white with the black roof. Everybody gets that at the competition. I believe it's the import competition. That was the M3 competition. And I don't know what blue that was, but that blue was... Not too many Porsches came today. Surprisingly, not too many Porsches. Usually they try to, you know what I'm saying, take over the whole lot. It's a little chill. Again, man, a couple of weeks ago, it was a big scuffle over here, man. Somebody had beat up this dude's Lamborghini, man. Or they had spit on it. And then the dad and the son thought they were big bad wolves. They got into a fight with the dude. Dude whooped their ass. And then I think afterwards, bro came over there and started punching on bro's car, man. I couldn't imagine what I would do in that situation. Definitely over here around these people, like, oh, you know what I'm saying? Like, we already stand out as a culture ourselves. So being in that type of situation, I wouldn't know how to handle that. Everybody leaving early today. It's 10 o'clock. Cars are heading out. It's a cool little turnout. Wasn't that bad. We're gonna walk over here. Fuck that. Get these cars. Walk over here. Hit some of these exits. Yeah, y'all might remember this walk right here. This is where that ass whooping almost happened. Or did happen, I should say. This is Ruby's Diner. I'm about to bust a U-turn. That's the end of the event, y'all. That's the Portofino. Looks like that's it. That is it. If you made it this far, like, comment, subscribe. It's not over yet. We're gonna head to Pomona and go to this Puddingstone Reservoir and go get on these jet skis. 720S. It's a classic one right here. I think this is a 69 GTO. Silver top with a blue bottom. Yes. All right. Oh, that nigga got a joint. I see you, my brother. Let me hop in there with you. Oh man, that Porsche over there with those gold rims, that shit was beautiful. Beautiful. I would just sit down right there, but I got on all white. But yeah, like I said, man, don't leave this video. Hope you enjoyed the car entertainment for today. This is basically gonna be like a day in the life vlog, episode 2, because episode 1 was us in Hawaii. If you haven't tapped in with those videos, I got part 1, 2, and 3 up. So tap in with those, show some love, like, comment, and yeah. I'm headed back to my car now, and we're leaving San Clemente. So I'm gonna head over here to Pomona, put some gas in the car because we got another hour drive ahead of us. And yeah, comment down below what car you like the best. They got that McLaren again. But yeah. And shout out to that dentist too. He told me I got $1,500 off, so I'll be coming up there to see you. Walking back to the car. She is here. All right, we gone. That was a good event. Not bad at all. Not bad. Didn't see a Bugatti, but it wasn't bad. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Keep it real, keep it right. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna run over here to Pomona. Don't leave this video. It should be a good turnout. It is only 10 o'clock right now, so I should probably get there around 11 o'clock. I'm probably pushing it a little bit early, because no cap, my family, they like to run late. They like to take their time and bullshit. So, hold on. So, I honestly don't need to be in no rush to really get out there, because I already know it's gonna be some bullshit. That, you know, just things happen with my side. I don't know what it is, but yeah, how y'all doing though? Y'all all right? All right, that's good. It's good to know. Finna run over here, put some more gas in the car. Y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Malik, man. And then we headed up here to the Puddingstone Reservoir so we can get our jet ski on, man. Let's walk up in here. Feel good though. It's like 80, like 82. I'm gonna go to the liquor store for hello. So really, I don't need nothing but a Gatorade. And can I get 25 on one?
Your total's $26.80. You don't have nothing smaller? Oh, I do have them.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Gatorade. I got my change. I need to wash this car. Look at that shit. Horrible. Just horrible, Malik. What we got here? What we got here? We going with the plus. Damn, 6.14. No, 6.19 a gallon. Just horrible. Horrible. I'm not even gonna put the clicker on because whenever I put this on, for some weird reason, mine always clicks and acts like it's full when it's not. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. We on our way to the Lego. Gotta get some papers. Gotta get some drink. I think I'm gonna get some rum. Super. It's nice up in here. The vibe is right. It's calm. All right, let's see what we need though. Damn, I should get a coconut water too. That's what I should have got. Not that damn Gatorade. They gonna have water. What am I mix? With the orange juice, pineapple and rum, and a beer. I think that'll do. The pineapple juice, this orange juice. That's pineapple. This pineapple with the dog. We're gonna go with the dog and the IPA. I heard this is new and it's been busting. Juice Force. So we're gonna see what's up with this. They got the little ones, I'm sure. We get big ass joint. And then I need some rum. Ooh, the cigar section. That's how I know those ones in Hawaii that I got were bullshit, because he don't even got them. And can I get that Captain Morgan rum?
What size?
The $10 one. Oh no, my bad. Yeah. Oh, is that the same thing?
No.
That's Sailor Jerry.
All of them, yeah. You want Sailor Jerry?
Is it good?
Yeah, good.
Good, let me try it.
Okay. Maybe it's
Let me get the big one. Well, just got up into the park. We at Puddingstone Reservoir. It's something Bolinelli Park. I can't really pronounce the nigga name, but yeah. The last name is Bolinelli. Just got up here to the park. Gotta walk down these steep ass stairs right here. Check this out. Boom. I got the speaker in hand. I'm about to, when I pulled in, I see my step parents with the jet ski. So we for sure on the water today. Last time I came and I did a vlog, we didn't get on the water, but that was the plan. So today, that's still the plan. We're supposed to be getting on the water, getting on the jet skis. Hold on. Let me get up here. I got a speaker in hand, or else I will be vlogging it from the other point of view. Oh man, look at that shit. Yeah. 9 times out of 10, I'm sure they in the same spot that we normally always in. But yeah.
I mean, in this water has to it has to be in there already.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So how do we just get it out?
So they're not trying to let us on the water because there's water in the vessel that I was telling y'all that there can't be. So there's water in the jet ski. So now that there's water in the jet ski, and it's a little bit of water, but what I don't understand. We've been trying to come here for like, I think this is the second time I've been up here, but they weren't a time before that and they couldn't get on the water because there was water already in the ski. But it don't make no sense because if we're going on to a lake to kick up water anyway, that shit don't make a difference anyway. But you know, it is what it is. The jet skis look nice. It's a beautiful day out. I'm gonna try to make the best out of it. You know what I'm saying? Got my giant. I got that Sailor Jerry that I just got from the liquor store. But damn, some bullshit, man. Damn, I I got the speaker. You know what I'm saying? I was ready to rock and roll. Then I was sitting over here at the table, and a couple of people put up on me, trying to chill and drink a beer with me and shit. So I was just like, man, I ain't here for that. I came for business. But look at the skis. Look at the skis.
Below.
Yeah.
So that means you're pushing. That means you're pushing it forward in.
That shit's so messed up, man. They don't want to let us on the water because it's water in the jet ski. And then look at this. Look at this. Beautiful scenery. You know? And it's never too packed. That's one thing we like about this lake. That's why we come here, because as you can see, it's probably about 3 jet skis out there. About 1, 2, 3. And then the lifeboat, that yellow boat right there, that's the lifeboat. But real shit, every time we come out here, we got the whole lake pretty much to yourself. And the speed limit is 45, but on a jet ski, you feel me, you know what I mean? 45 is fast on the water. I'll tell you that, it's fast on the water. So, shit, we're gonna see what happens. And worst come to worst, we might be over here just barbecuing. But yeah. So what you about to do right now?
He looking to see.
Give me a phone.
A phone? Hey, what?
Babe.
So the lake ain't go as planned. Now we out here at the house barbecuing and shit. Cause they ain't let us on the jet skis. But it's all good. We got some hot shit coming off the grill. Yeah, show them what's going on. What you got right there? Some hot links?
Some links.
Alright. Yeah. Yeah.
That or Y&J. The other one that no, it's not that go off shit.
Oh, now? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm giving that slick. You know what I'm saying? That's a technique right there. That's a chef technique. Y'all know nothing about that right there.
Let that grease out.
Mm-hmm. So don't get them bubbles.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So don't get them bubbles. That burning. Yeah, I see what's going on.
I see what's going on.
Nigga, you gotta drop this one right here, boy. This right here is a slapper. I like this one. I be playing this shit in the car. What? Hold up, what? Come slide in the coupe, I'm on my way, girl. I drop my old bitch. That's my brother right there, yeah. So I ain't getting copyrighted by this on the vlog. Yeah, as y'all can see, YouTube, this is the owner of the song right here. They be trying to copyright me on my shit. She not for the week. Hey girl, I've been feeling you. It's okay, girl. Come sliding the coupe. I'm on my way, girl. I'm on my way to you. I drop my own day. Do you need to prove? A burning burger? Burning burger. Okay, I see it. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Grandma.
Vernon Avenue.
Burning it out, okay.
Yeah.
Self-explanatory. Looks real delicious.
You hear me?
Real delicious. You know what I'm saying? Go on and shout yourself out.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah.
Oh. It's over with. Did you drop the leak?
Marshall, what time are you supposed to be here again?
I ain't dropped it. I would have been mad.
In 30 minutes?
What?
It might just be me and you then.
Yeah.
Because Tisha sleeps, so.
Yeah.
I said it might just be me and you. I'll be honest with you.
Oh,
Appreciate
so
that.
nice.
You got a
Y'all see
bottle?
what's
Where the
going on?
bottle
I'm about to
at?
put all this greenery into
Is your
this
birthday
wood.
today here?
Right now.
Oh, you going to go get Caleb? So where did he go?
Alright, buddy. Yeah. Well, I'm leaving tonight anyways. Late too.
So what? You just bringing Caleb back?
Yeah, I guess so. Son.
So where did he go?
Who?
Marcio.
Me and Tish are leaving with him to go pick up Caleb.
And then you come back.
Yeah, but then we leaving back. I'm home.
That don't even make no sense.
They don't. I wish I could tell you, bro.
That doesn't make
That
any
ain't no
sense.
sense, buddy. They don't.
Not too much I can do right now. Everybody done left me to the grill, and yeah, didn't end up getting on the jet skis today, but it was a great day. It's a good evening. I'm in Pomona right now. I'm on the grill, tossing up some hot links. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, that's a wrap for this episode. If you made it this far, please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other content. A new upload will be up shortly. I didn't get a chance to do an exit out video, but yeah, it's your boy Malik.